Hi everyone, it's Rachel here at Lasting Impressions Gifts in Manotick, and today I'd like to share with you some of the eco-friendly and sustainable products that we carry here in store. These are the amazing Swedish dishcloths. We have them in a variety of fun colors and patterns, and they are 100% biodegradable. We also carry beeswax wraps from Made by Bees, and we have these in a variety of sizes. Perfect alternative for using plastic wrap when you're wrapping up your sandwiches, cheeses, leftover fruits and vegetables. These Poco Loco alpaca dryer balls are great. They're very durable, antimicrobial, and of course eco-friendly. These mesh bags are perfect for shopping. They're wonderful for holding your produce, and again, it eliminates the need for plastic. This is a reusable, eco-friendly bamboo cutlery set. It comes in a nice little carry case. This would actually make a great gift for students, anybody traveling, anybody that likes to hike or camp. It'd be great. We have some bamboo fiber trays. We have it in this lovely yellow color. We also have it in this great coral color. These trays are great. They're food safe, reusable, compostable, biodegradable. These are some reusable straws, stainless steel straws. They come with a little cleaner as well, so again, another eco-friendly product. We have some Eco Pure candles in a couple different sizes. We do carry a variety of Turkish towels from Poco Loco. So we have some hand towels, some larger sizes, some throws. Again, that's fair trade Turkish towels. So all of the items you see here are available online at ligonline.ca as well as in store. We are open for in-person shopping Tuesday through Saturday from 12 p.m. till 5 p.m. So we hope to see you soon.